In this video, I will show you how to install my custom code to let the LEGO Education Coding Canvas to stream the AI data to your LEGO Pybricks powered hubs like Spike Prime or Spike Essential. Let's dive in already. So you go on code.legoeducation.com and you create a new project with word blocks because there is no other option for now. Then you click on post classification just to enable the camera so I can greet you. Hi. Below this video, you will find a link to my GitHub repository. And from there, you can click on the README and you will be brought to this page. Here, you find this, you can find the whole script here, but you don't need to read it. You have to trust me. And then you go here you drag these onto your bookmark tab on your Chrome browser. This works on Chrome. And I couldn't find a way to make it work on BlueFi browser on the iPad. So if there are any hackers among you that can help me to contribute to this, you are welcome. I can make it work on Android. I will make the tutorial later. By the way, now we have the bookmark here. So now you can just go on the coding canvas and you just click on this bookmark, and by like magic, this little window will appear. So now we have to go on Pybricks, code.pybricks.com. You can download the code for this demo on my GitHub repository as well. And you have to import two files, csai_bridge.py, which is the code that intercepts the stream of data from the bridge running on your browser. And then you can write any program for it. You just import this line from csai_bridge, import AI features and feature. And then you use this object to get the detected class, all the classes, the confidence score, or any coordinate from any, like ai.getCoords, and then the features you want, like nose, or let me show you, nose, or any of them. Left ear, elbow, eye, hip, knee, shoulder, whatever. Okay, we don't need this now, so let me revert this and comment it out. So now you connect to your Pybricks powered hub, whatever you have. I think all of them are compatible, but I tested it on Spike Essential and Spike Prime hub. Then you run the program. Okay, it's ready. Let me turn the program off now and we can disconnect. Now we click on connect. The program has to be stopped for this to be found and paired to. We pair to it. Now the stream is already running. So if I do this, okay. So now I can turn on the other camera. So now you can see it. So arms up, arms down, right up, left up, both down. So you can see it works. So now that we install it, and you can pause the stream at any point. So you see, it's not working anymore. So I can start stream again, and from here I can stop the program altogether, or start the program again, and start the stream again. You see, okay, and you can also disconnect. There is no way. This can be left here, and if you want to close this and not use it anymore, you just have to reload the page. Let's try it again with a full screen so you can see it better. Up, down, right up, left up, and so on. So it works. You can do it with any other post classification. So you can also train other classes. So you go here, arms down, you add another class, you add any classes you want. So you can train other classes, and in the program you will just see more classes. Like class, you get detected class, you can have 0, 1, 2, and you just have to match the class you train here. On Pybricks start with 0, here it starts with 1. You can rename them, but the names won't be passed through the stream. That's an advanced feature that I might explain in another video, but for now it's just about the setup and the initial demonstration. So now I would like to show you also how to use this on Android. So let me switch to Android. On Android, you have to go to code.legoeducation.com, and then you create a new project. You click on post classification, you wait for it to load. Then you enable the camera of your phone. Hi, here I am. So now we have to reduce this one. And now, how to enable the bridge? You cannot just go to here, to the bookmark of favorites and click on the previously created bookmark. So I suggest you create your bookmark on your computer first. So the best way is you go to your address bar and you type CSAI, not this page, but the one you find on your favorite. So if you start typing, you find your favorite here on the favorite bar. You click on that, and you can see that the same windows as before will appear. So now you can see it. I will stop the program on the hub, click on connect, you pair with it, and now it's ready. So now you can see that it's working on your Android phone as well. I hope you found this tutorial useful. So you find all the links you need to do this under this video. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.